Abusia way eye fie ntokwa. Kevin Ekobedu Taylor and Coco Pai. Wabe send a strong warning to Finance Minister Ato Forson. That person no was sending straight bullets to Nana Jantuah, another NDC journalist. Was sending very strong bullets to him. Bema nchiri mu no akire wadwen amame. Ewo comment section. Aha yi Penyah block media. Mess one say need mu. Obe like video no adare ma boss subscribe button so na be click the notification icon no latest update. Samba chire wadwen amame. Ewo comment section. Mess also boss for. No one share for so anya bi ahwe. Let's start with Ato Forson. Kevin Trajin who this on the NDC ba akunya no so ema eno no. NDC fo nyina omojitu. Minim se Ghana se ya nto aba. NDC fo nyina ajitu mu se Kevin Ekobedu Taylor so Mahamato ekosi akunya so. On the NDC you know bia city bia no on the ma wo mu je se ya nto aba Ghana hanum. NDC fo na jitu se Kevin Taylor di akunya no ma NDC government. But I don't know what's like anything because of that no. Always say ewo NDC amemu omu bonimu or dinu di say obi e bibi na nkoi or no na be correcting the because on edine baaye. Now according to Kevin Taylor no just Ato Forson as fragadam bi kwaso wo ne office ne finance ministry no ma say woni nipa bi as move nam kuntina say be so mo corruption ya de bi ana Kevin Taylor ka Ato Forson say Ato me na me do baaye Ato me na me do baaye. Where is my Kevin Taylor Ato Forson go TV mna?
Me Kevin Taylor, I put everything on the line. Yedi matem, yedi me yiratem, yedi me matem, na yedi me papatem, di me mamiatem, all because I wanted power for you people, not just about them. You need to do the right thing to be nice with me. So when you're the right thing, and your politics then you're with that. And I will make sure I expose anyone who tries to destroy this government. Because I will not work hard. Let Ghanaians know that the MPP is a stupid party filled with criminals and allow people to come in and do the same thing. No. And if you have in your mind, John Mahama, na Kevin Taylor, I asked me this so big. Kevin Taylor, John Mahama, na say Kevin Taylor penasama, adentina Kevin Taylor, ono ne, oma John Mahama ni omuye jumano, Kevin Taylor jina omoso mo bodamon. Na ntibe pe John Mahama 70. Na ma ejuma ama John Mahama ba power na kwase bi jimi say John Mahama din a na mete wo say because me pe John Mahama 70 obi din kwase asema say no ntina wo ehwe me show na I don't give a heck about you. I don't care. Because many obi an sign a contract to Ghana ho. Moji mu pay no many obi an pay, but I'll correct you. I will make sure the right thing is done. Anything I be Gina finance minister so anytime Gina GRA boss so the two have connived to steal from the pot until they move Edubofo from there. Return it to Edubofo Fanako Kofodia because initially you transferred him. What made you bring him? Nipana or say Edubofo Chino. I am telling the person I am powerful than you. Yes. It does not matter who you are. I am powerful and I'll make sure Edubofo is moved. I don't care who you are. And I know who you are. But I want to prove a point to you that I am powerful than you. Edubofo, he needs to leave. Ato Forson and the GRA boss, these are the two people enabling this criminal to dupe Ghanaians at the port. He needs to be moved away from the headquarters. I am not done.
Now, out of nowhere, Kevin Taylor, no, was he a pro NDC member, no, also be MPP as a party, no. Now, same video we buy as a Kevin Taylor, no, or campaigning for Canada Japan, giddy, you say, what be Canada Japan, some Ghana, Kevin Taylor no be or no be. Now, on him said, we media and so politics in MPP, no, abeye de dwa, afani obia Canada hair, we could not handle no two shade, I'm away, we could not two shade, and man, and say, Crabbe, Jamo Kwan, Eddie be womb. Ese Bawumia Ken nuntum na Bawumia as vice president office na dollar and 17 city also control bomb just said obia egg candidate ama insult in MPP primaries no omo election because so say abeye dadwa na eno ana Nana Jantuah you know obey any program Nana Jantuah any program na or address those issues no and I got no Osha Bawumia president Bawumia is a fine gentleman because who be say omo president omo didi atem ni adade no Bawumia on shada nka ho onye sa adi ni bi
Achomini no MPP for muntie. Die mo ye mo ho no. Medika ka baby a montie. Minya no MPP for muntie. Die mo ka nyina mu wie a ye be kai mo. Die mo ka fa Bawumia nyina ho mu wie a ye be kai mo. Ken Japan ye be kai mo. Dr. Educhum ye be kai mo. Engineer Kwabena Japan ye be kai mo. Dr. Brian Champon ye be kai mo. Inti se panyi bia nim na ye ntumofo na mo kan we na mo wie enra na me monitor Dr. ya o se aduchum e wo joy o kan bibia manije o se e ma ye ntwen didi ye ho atem wie ansa ne aba be pray unity, and that was profound. Me mente se engineer Kwabena Japan e didi obi atem. Mente se Dr. Brian Champon edidi obi atem. De ana mete edidi atem na eyete se Bawumia Ken Japan crofo na edidi omu ho atem. Into o kan bibi. O say men twen ma ye ndidi ho atem wi ansa na baba pray for unity. MPP for mo party no de mo de yi enye say na was opposition ye. At this time, can you bebre wo hwa NDC aban ahye ase a ototo papa so. And kamo ye formidable a. Na mo wo ano ba ko a. Kamo ye opposition adwuma. Galam say ya fechire NDC fo a wo ntimi hu ekwan mu mfa so yi. And kamo ye stronger. And kamo nye demo yi. Unfortunately, mo amu di mo ho atem na mo ye mo ho. Na mo ye demo pe. Mini anu MPP fo. Minim se mumu bia so odin. Minim se yetumofo a muntie. Minim se mo aye mo ho akrachefo. Ene mo ne. Ene mo ne. Munhwe yi. Munhwe yi na maso odin, munhwe yi na party ni nya akono. MPP for ebetie mi a. Dr. Bawumia na wo so mu repeat no. Because, and I'm not doing campaign for Dr. Bawumia, but I am just helping them to understand, say, Oman sesa John Ajekum Kufo, Obaye, ebe winiye. NDC for sesa Atamils, Obaye be winiye. NDC for no minim say John Mahama na Ghana for enim no more, although say no one challenges. Na ye turn ni ye kakran na MPP for sha ase so mutoto papa so a ye betimi ama John Mahama saba eno no mu ye ya John Mahama 2020 otimi be G6 ni bia enne Ghana for se to aso ni ma 1/180 sa seat no Ghana ni betimi age in the next 4 years say NDC ni John Mahama anya ade a as simple as that. fan. Inti whether impose or whether this we a politician wesua dia. Don't underestimate your opponent. She, dear Dr. Bawumia ye na no during inauguration. Oshia ni Penny John Mahama echia ni di obuo ma no. Unim adwan nkofo afa wo papa no ho. Mene nkofo bia no mu ka setia Dr. Bawumia mo se saa de na ye no yahu se papa no oye ni papa. Enyoma mienu a Dr. Bawumia yama ne ho aye akono ene se otimi ka se miamaje atum mawe enti John Mahama mafre no saa de no ye alone unnim de betimi aye ene de aye wodache enti na John Mahama ebo na baso no ene the other thing is say ohun se John Mahama na ye president enti media nidie na mede ma Akufo Addo no me de ba from na me de bia ma no saa de na Bawumia ye no onti ase obi a wo hunhun mani no unima saa de na Dr. Bawumia ye no ema John Mahama no onti ase obefo ne say ye simple na emrepemu no obeti ase me say nsem bi wo ho na me ka ebi enne na wo nhye da nti ase I understand but the mire bi beba no obekai say say Nana Jantuah kan men kan so ye NDC ni nti Dr. Bawumia eno ano no me de makama asem awie
yeah. Mente se Dr. Bawumia edidi obi atem.
So na no what na asem wo kan.
in all this campaign.
Someone will be a mesami.
Mente said Dr. Bawumia akasa chichiri.
Sure.
Etia will be.
Yeah. For that one, he's
engineer Kwabena Japan. Mente ye.
Sure.
Ye reduchum. Mente ye. Bibi a jiron ejina no akwakoye Ken Japan. Nenkrofo.
Yeah.
Enna Brand Champon so.
Nenkrofo.
Nansen sema.
Enya no kwa. On say na omo target, you know, omo target boku any man preaching talk and omo da she Bawumia mene. Ese Bawumia na e cause sa ade no any ade. Eno kwa Nana Jantuah e defend Bawumia.
Can tell you say Dr. Bawumia na onim anything about this Mamprusi kinship ne de na ekoso. I can tell you on authority. And so ye can contemplate the share Dr. Bawumia say on an essential tokwanechi Emma NDC for the year politics. In 70 be why you can't near Kanotroka. I am telling you the reasons I drew her. Not Dr. Bawumia only home po. Dr. Bawumia ewa campaign ase. Ena on hini bi wo mo for so ya de ne call baby any kwan so mo de ne call. And so NDC for the year campaign etia Dr. Bawumia said Dr. Bawumia ene hye sa de na say Dr. Bawumia I can tell you obi obeka cho say Dr. Bawumia no ni mu bi me say oboa na eyantrom kontompo eno mu twatwe eto Dr. Bawumia so he wasn't aware Mamprusi nyome nyina no nya aware and so ye cash enkrofo trim ye frɛ bibi manufacturing of consent. Papa bia oye philosopher ye journalist Walter Lippmann. Ono mesua communication theory no. Omuni papa na friend Walter Lippmann no. He talks about manufacturing of consent. Adie bi wo ho a enye nokre ba ebetimi ahohoro na manaye nokre na atoni petrim na manipa gia tum. Me say Dr. Bawumia Mamprusi kusasi ntokwa no. Na onim ho hwe but some politics inti NDC for led by Yera John Dramani Mahama so ye president no or the year politics Emma kusasi for G2
Na sadwe no ana ase Kevin Tahwe no se there bi ase Nana Jantuah Bawumia bonne pa ana se oye jandem bi trying to shade Kennedy Japan any ade eno ana Kevin Tahwe say on tiase nti no so be reply Nana Jantuah na we ne small all catch them.
There was a report. Nana Jantuah oje report nation bottom na ojino tu fu enim na odi otu fu atem say he will handle issues. Abrana report kutano. Motiti radio so kumase nkwasiafo you cannot speak wisdom to these foolish politicians because omobamu radio na 1000 Ghana, 300 Ghana. Yeshemu yasi na tosta amamwanom. You are stupid. They have disrespected and even disrespected Mohene. And you fools, yet Ghana for the reality, how these people have dragged the system in the mud. Osi Kevin tell a diatam na utipe enemy. Me diatam matam mi bola ba ofia beje duane edida. Mon kwasi ade na mo de titi Ghana ho no. Mon kwasi ade no yet tiamo mu di nkwasi asem we are correcting you. Na mo tribe ni mo jimi no anytime waka be bia maka no. Because you people don't want to allow yourself. You don't want to be honest. The Jimmy and Jimmy Mohono, some because me Jimmy Mohosabia. Most of you, Montana radio so be. But see me, I'm a very matured man. I'm a very smart man. I don't just speak. I take my time to speak. I take my time. Even in the midst when I am angry, I pick my words well. So you people should never underestimate my silence. No. Because we can do the same. And with all due respect, when I burn bridges with any of you guys, I will lose nothing. The same way you wouldn't lose nothing. So I can burn bridges. And I can burn it to the point where it will burn and burn you. Inti ayana munyabutre. Ya can't samuna. Monfamo tribe on Tonchain. These MPP people. Omonoma say Ghana, I say Asantemaya, say Ghana. And it's a fact. And my problem, you know, say, I am telling the people the truth. I'm not covering up the truth. The way Jimmy, me sin so with Jimmy. Do I kwasia, me sin so kwasia, yeti kroma ha, and your boy nipa how many etuo during elections. Now one kwasi form titi radio so I'm from home in central for your boy mama ye mutua. Na nke never betra be ubebu be. Guys, muntieti a break o. Na me ma boda me
Ubet ma chere wa adwen ama me. E wo comment section. Aha yi Penyah Block Media. Agra.